Today, we are learning another way to subtract. This way to subtract is by combining place values. So, let's read the story. Elena is the girl's name.
Elena collected 431 bottles for recycling. He collected 227 fewer bottles than Elena. How many bottles did he collect?
Okay, what are we finding? I'm looking at the box right here. What are we trying to find? Sorry, the box is the blue box. What are we trying to find? Tyson?
How many bottles?
Yes, the number of bottles he collected. How many bottles did he collect? Can't write it all on the line. It's okay. Just write it below some. I had to do that. How did Tyson know that that was the answer? What did he look at? But what part of the story?
The first part.
No. Aubrey?
Story because it says
But what part of the story did he look at
he looked at
to know that answer?
he collected 200.
But what is that? What part of the story is that? Tyson, how'd you know? The question. The answer is he looked at the question. Remember, whenever it asks, what do you need to find? You're always basically writing the question. Okay? Isn't the question, how many bottles did he collect? So what are we trying to find? How many bottles he collected? Okay? Basically the same thing, right? Okay. Now we are going to combine the place values to find the difference. First, they always want us to do what? Estimate. They always want us to estimate. So they have 431 right here, minus 227. They're estimating 431 to, everyone?
400.
And they're estimating 227 to?
200.
What is 400 minus 200, everyone?
200.
Make sure you write that down on the board or on your papers. Now we are going to look at step 1 of how to combine place values to subtract. What they are doing is they are looking at the ones place. Remember, can we subtract 7 from 1? Callie, put it away. That is not what we are supposed to be doing during math. Can we subtract 7 from 1, boys and girls? No. So this would be one where we would have to regroup. But instead of regrouping, they're trying to tell you to instead think of the things instead of 1 minus 7, do 31 minus 27. 31 minus 27, what you can think about, guys, what is 31 minus 27? Instead of going 31 and taking away 27, you can count up from 27 to 31. And how many numbers did you count up? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. How many numbers did we count up? 4. So our answer would be 4. Now we have to put a 0 in the tens place because 4 has no tens. It's only a ones number. Please write this down. So now we already have two of our numbers, so we didn't even have to regroup, did we? Nope. No, we didn't have to regroup. Okay. Now this will only work, boys and girls, as long as this tens place is bigger than this one, or the 10 and the 1 is bigger on top is bigger than the 10 and the 1 on the bottom. That's the only way that it will work for combining, okay? Because if it was a bigger number on top than it was on the bottom, you can't subtract that still either. Okay? So, now all we have to do is subtract the 100s because we already did the 10s and the 1s. So what's 4 minus 2, everybody?
2.
Okay, so how many bottles did Pete collect?
204.
Okay, and since, what do you think we'll do next?
204.
Since 204 is close to the estimate of
200.
200, then our answer is
Reasonable.
reasonable. Okay, now another way they want you to combine place value is instead of doing the ones, they're going to have you combine the 100s and the 10s. First, they wanted us to subtract 513 minus 482. They estimated 413 to what?
510.
510. Thank you for paying attention, Jacob, and saying the answers. They estimated 482 to what?
480.
Thank you, class. That makes me feel better that you're all paying attention now. What is 510 minus 480? Can we figure that out just in our heads, or is it kind of too hard? Too hard? Okay, then let's do it on the board. 0 minus 0 is what?
0.
1 minus 8 is what? Can't do it. I'm glad I didn't trick you. Okay, so we put the 14 there, and this is 11. 11 minus 8 is what?
3.
Okay, 4 minus 4 is what?
0.
0, which we don't really even do, so the answer for the estimate is
30.
30. Now, boys and girls, can I subtract 3 minus 2 easily? I don't have to regroup it, do I? No. So let's just do 3 minus 2, which is
1.
1. Okay. Now, when you do the tens place, 1 minus 8, can you do that easily? No, you have to regroup. Okay. Now what they're saying is instead of regrouping, they're saying to combine the tens place and the 100s place. So instead they're doing 51 minus 48. So we can go 48 and count up to 51 and see how many numbers that is. 48, 49, 50, 51. How many numbers did we count up till we get to 51? 3. So what you're going to do is, all you have to write is 3 right there on the blue box. Okay. So what is 513 minus 482, everybody?
31.
31. Is 31 close to our estimate?
Yes.
Our estimate is 31 is close to our estimate of 30. So yes, that is all. You can go to the next page once you have that written down. Bless you. After this. All right. Now they're they're giving you some examples of combining place value. They're going to subtract 500 minus 173. Estimating, they did 500 minus 175. Do you guys know what that is? No? Yep, that's fine. Well, let's break it apart and say, what's 500 minus 100? What is it, everybody?
400.
Okay, now what's 400 minus 75?
375.
No, that would be another. That's only 20. That's only minus 25.
475.
No, that's adding now.
275.
No. Hey, think about this. If you have a whole dollar and you take away 75 cents, how many cents does that leave you with?
225.
It leaves you with 25 cents. So it would be 500 minus 100 is what?
400.
Minus 75 is 325. 325. Okay, so let's look at the steps. Step 1. Look at the ones in the tens places. Since 3 is greater than 0 and 7 is greater than 0, combine the 100s and 10s. There are 50 tens. So regroup 50 tens as 49 tens and 10 ones. So basically, boys and girls, look at this. This could have been easy. Okay, but when you regroup here, you wanted to borrow from the 0, right? But if there's 0 already there, can you borrow anymore? No. So what you do is you come over here and you make this look like a 50 and not just a 0 and a 5. Okay? So you take away from the whole 50 and make it 49. Okay? And then you put your 10 on top. Alright? Now, what's 10 minus 3?
7.
What's 9 minus 7?
2.
4 minus 1?
3.
Alright. So I just did this with you. 10 minus 3 we said was 7. And then, well, and they're doing 49 minus 17, which now we've worked it out, so it's 32. So what's our answer?
327.
327. So whenever you have a 100 number that you have to do that, just remember, you can cross out the whole 2 numbers here and make it the number less, okay? All right. Now, let's try this. Find 851 minus 448 in 2 ways. So, can we do 1 minus 8?
No.
No, we cannot. So instead of doing 1 minus 8, we combine these two, 51 and 48. Let's do 48, let's count up from 48 to 51 and see how many numbers that is so that we can say 51 minus 48. So 48, 49, 50, 51. So how many numbers did we count to get there?
3.
So instead 51 minus 48 is 3. So you have to put a 3 in the ones place. Do you put anything in the tens place? No. Well, you do put something, you put a 0. Now can we do 8 minus 4?
Yep.
Yes, that's easy. What is 8 minus 4?
4.
Okay, so that was one way.
Shouldn't a 0 be a 1?
Well, no. And let's talk about that. Actually, I just did this over there. This one said combined tens and ones. Now we're just going to subtract regular. Okay? Can't do 1 minus 8, right?
Yes. No.
No. So we go here, we make the 5 and 4, and we make the 1 and 11, right? What's 11 minus 8?
3.
What's 4 minus 4?
0.
What's 8 minus 4?
4. They're both the same answer.
Because they're the same problem.
What?
We just worked it out differently.
What?
Yeah, they have the same numbers. 851, 851, 448, 448. We just worked it out differently. We combined the tens and the ones here, and we just subtracted regular here. But we can still get the same answer. So you can choose whichever way is easiest for you. If it's easiest for you to just subtract like this, regular, that's fine. Then that's what you're going to do. If it's easier for you to combine, then you can combine. Okay? Number 1. When does the combined place value strategy make it easier to find a difference? When is doing this easier?
Because you don't have to regroup.
Yeah. Okay,